Hey guys, welcome to our tutorial where we are going to see how you can create your own hyper realistic AI influencer. Uh, Basically, an influencer for social media accounts that is not real. So, some of the examples we can see that many accounts on Instagram that are completely AI based and earn thousands of dollars by doing paid collaboration with other brands, right? So we are going to see some of the examples. Like you can see this on my screen. So this is a completely AI-based influencer. This person is not real. This is a fake AI-generated model, and you can see it has like 2.6 million followers, and she might be doing paid collaboration and earning hundreds and thousands of dollars, right? All because of a virtual person, right? And this is another example from India. You can see this is again is the same AI based model. She is not real. All the backgrounds are fake, all the costumes are fake, all the destinations are fake, everything is fake, right? So, and this is another one, right? Again, she has like 300k plus followers. She looks so real, right? She looks real. It's hard to distinguish if she is real or not, right? So yeah, even people are confused, right? If you see, uh, are you artificial intelligence? So some people even don't know that this person might be not real, right? So that's how AI influencer can be created using some tools. So we'll see some of them how you can do for yourself, right? So the first thing is you need to visit Tensor.art. Tensor.art. So once you are on this website, you need to go to the model section, and from here you can choose the model that you like, right? That you think is looking good. So maybe I will choose this model, and once I select this model, I can just click on run. So just click on run. So you can see these are all the previously generated models of mine, which I do not require now. So I'll just go ahead and delete them. So we will have a clean canvas to play with the model that we are currently selected. So you need to create a prompt, right? How you want the model to look, right? So maybe I want the model uh, to be flying in an airplane, basically traveling in Western clothes. She looks like an Instagram influencer in the travel industry. Okay, so we just selected this. So this is the prompt. You can give any prompt that you want. Negative prompt is basically the you don't want all these things to be included in the image, right? So maybe I will get like bad light color. I don't want this, right? Dull look. I don't want that, right? Blur image. I don't want that, right? You can type in all the negative prompt that you think. You can twerk all the settings over here. You want the aspect ratio of the image. You can seed is basically the type of image that will generate, right? So maybe you are generating the first image, right? But next time when you generate the image, you need the model to recognize that the face of the influencer should be same. The background, the clothes, and other things can be different, but the face should be same. So it will recognize by using this seed number. So let's keep this unique seed number like 007. So in the future also the tool remembers that 007 is the face of the model, so it should remain constant, right? You can play with all these settings that you like, and I will just go ahead and click on generate now. So let me just type in this. So you can see, I just type in 123 seed number. You can type in any seed number that you want, right? So you can see our image is now getting generated. So you see, so we said that, right? The model should look like, the model should be traveling in the travel industry, should be flying and all that stuff, right? So it's really good, right? So you can just download this if you want and use it, right? You can again change this, right? You can again change the prompt and it will generate, right? Maybe the model is attending Indian wedding and dancing. I want that way. Let's keep that way. So you see, we have created the model, right? And it's an Indian wedding and she is looking happy and all, right? So that's how you do it, right? That's what I wanted to talk about in this tutorial. I hope you understood how things are done now. Uh, Thanks for watching. That's the end of this video tutorial. Thank you.